guys, morning. Today my grandma was just home. I want to show you all of my things. Alright, these are all my things is here. Well, I'm so excited because my grandma bring me everything that I want, and I very liked it. So let's see what we have here. I hope it's so exciting. Right, these are the bags, all of it inside here. So I'm gonna try to open it. Wow, it's great. There's a mirror on the wall. Who's the beautiful after all? You are. And it's a fan. It's from Korea. So beautiful. And oh, what's this? Oh, it's a pillowcase. It's a pillowcase. We just need to do something. Oh, sorry. That's not mine. It's my sister. Okay, and my favorite chocolate. It's almond. It's my favorite chocolate ever. And a fan. It's a blue. Beautiful motif. Small. Beautiful. Today my grandma was just packing her things. It's a busy morning, right? And the sport pants. Wow. I really love this. Oops. That's not right. It's a small bag. Well done. Let's make a study, which is here we can do something like number list, like something list. Everything that you write will be in here, and there's a website. Alright, this is a checklist. Okay, whatever, I can see it for later. And oh, this is a memo. Oh really? This is a 10 rupiah. One means it's 10 rupiah. And then, oh, it's a princess memo. Same things. It's a 10 rupiah. So, whoa. It's a 15 rupiah. 15 rupiah. It's a balloon in my hand. Right on here. Balloon in my hand. You might have a balloon in my hand. And there's a party mode girl. It's the same 15 rupiah. So 15. Oh. Absolutely. I'll not show you this. Oh, it's a big memo. Sloppy peanuts worldwide. So 10 rupiah. I'm so glad. And what's again? Oh guys, it might be excited. Why my grandma give me this? Even it's not right for me. You know, so bad. Who wants to die? Why is a saw in here or in my bag? So dangerous for the airport. Empty. Can you guys think why my grandma putting this thing in my room for me? You die or I die. That's a negative thinking, right? Oh, one more. One more. And my brother. And this. Who wants some milk? Everyone? And also, give me this. You just need to turn it in your phone. It is swing, 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 swing. Okay, I'm very happy for today. Thank you very much, my grandma. You just gave me everything I liked, everything I very liked it. Yes, I'm so excited. And you know, you can say this thing to your friend and say sorry. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Hope you liked it. Bye.